Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm going to show you how to treat and protect your outside masonry brickwork from the elements using 3C's Masonry Protection Cream. On this one side of our workshop, we've got 45 square meters of brickwork and pointing to cover. You've got three options of applying this. One is with a roller or a paintbrush or even a paint spray if you have one. I'm going to start this wall by cutting in around the top edge of the brickwork using a short-haired brush. I can cut in nice and tight right up to the soffit board. I can also cut around any obstacles like these downspouts. Really easy using a paintbrush. The second option is a large roller on a pole. This of course will apply it on a lot thicker and heavier and also quicker than using the paintbrush. So it's perfect for large areas like this brickwork. Get plenty of the cream on your roller. Apply it to the wall and spread it up and down and across until you cover all the brickwork face and in between the perps of the brickwork. You might find it goes a little bit thicker if the perps are deep around the brickwork. If so, you can always feather that out with a brush. But by using the roller, you can apply a really good heavy layer of the protective cream on in a short space of time. However, I did say there was a third way of applying your masonry protection cream, and that is with a paint sprayer. If you're like me and do a lot of painting, you may have a trusty paint sprayer. Now I've tried and tested it with this and found it applies it really quick and really easy. Watch this. Now the beauty about applying liquids or a cream texture like this using a paint sprayer, there is no contact with the surface. You hold the nozzle about 4 to 6 inches away from the surface and you continue to move it up and down or left to right. Now this is a Wagner 590 universal paint sprayer, and the reservoir that I'm using is designed for masonry paint. So it is built to apply thick, heavy, gloopy materials. Now, of course, I haven't tried this with all types of paint sprayers. So if you do happen to have a paint sprayer, do check it out first. Another reason why I chose to use the W590 is the fact that it has airflow control dial at the top. Also, there's a dial right behind the trigger. This controls how much liquid comes out of the nozzle. Again, with it being thick and creamy, I've got it turned right the way up, so it projects out a lot of material. When applying the material, it's white. However, it does dry transparent. Now that is one coat completed, 45 square meters in probably about, well, under 15 minutes. I started with the paintbrush and the roller, did about 4 or 5 square meters, and then I continued, did the end of it with my paint sprayer. However, although this is a one coat application, I believe my paint sprayer application was probably a little bit thinner applied than the actual roller or brush. So in this case, I'm going to give it a second coat. 3C Sealants Weather Masonry Protection Cream is a ready-to-use item. It's solvent-based masonry protection cream that creates a water-repellent barrier whilst maintaining water vapor permeability. It protects new and existing building facades from driving rain, frost damage and algae. This can be used on a variety of different substrates. Of course, masonry brick and block like this, concrete, plaster, porous roofing and mineral substrates such as artificial stone, sandstone, plasterwork, clay, cement, render and pebble dash surfaces. That's my wall now complete. It had about 20 minutes to penetrate into the brickwork and start to dry. However, I'm going to leave it to dry overnight and then come back tomorrow and apply some water on it. That's exactly what I expected, the water to repel against the brickwork. You can see it's dripping down the sides. It's not penetrating into the brickwork anymore because the surface isn't porous. So that's my brickwork now protected for many years to come using 3C's Masonry Protection Cream. If you're looking for more how-to videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, 3C Sealants. But if you just want to know more about the vast range of products that they stock, head straight over to their website. Don't forget, you can now purchase 3C's products directly from Sealants online, Amazon and eBay.